to be. I'm proud to be.
Yoga Akello Teso, Akello Vicky, Alomuntongo Palisa.
I'm Teso from Teso, born in Teso. Around your Teso.
Akello Irarak Ilogir. Irarak Erasa Mejak. Food gatherers and hunters. This is the second largest clan group of migrants who are said to have come from Ethiopia. According to history, these Itunga were gatherers of wild fruits and highly skilled hunters who in turn fed the Iteso people. Their great father was called Ojuruta, who was well known as a great hunter, and their women were known to be exceptionally good in fishing. The historians say members of this clan were found telling stories about the past hunting and fruit gathering. Their sign is Irarak. There are several clans in the Teso culture. However, for today, I'll be taking you through the 7 major clans, which are Ikaruwok, Irarak, Ikatekok, Inomu, Igoria, Iworopom, Ikomolo. The Ikaruwok, Ajiok. They were leaders and fighters. This clan is the largest clan among the Iteso, also known as Ikaruwok. These are battle-hardened warriors or fighters. The historians say this clan group of people were the military warriors who fought the Babylonians, the Greeks, the Romans, Arab, and Asians. Their brave and brilliant skills in battles made them the army to provide security for the Iteso. The word Ikaruwok refers to the people who made sounds of victory after winning a battle. Their sign is Atekok. We also have the Irarak, Amejak, food gatherers and hunters. This is the second largest group of migrants who are said to have come from Ethiopia. According to history, these Itunga were gatherers of wild fruits and highly skilled hunters who fed the Iteso. Their great father was called Ojuruta, who was well known as a great hunter, and their women were known as good fishers. The historians say members of this clan were found telling stories about the past hunting and fruit gathering. Their symbol is Irarak. We also have the Ikatekok, peacemakers, the arbitrators. This is the third largest clan among the Iteso. These people are good at mediating conflicts between people, families, clans, over grazing land, water, food, war loop, pasture, care of orphans, and discipline of those who disrespected the cultural norms were dressed. The word Ikatekok comes from the Atesot word Itekokin. Being good mediators, they also became good administrators who ensured discipline and comfort to the cultural norms of Iteso and to punish members that disobeyed them. Their sign is Etem. We have the Ikomolo, Adwarak. These are foretellers. They were said to have brought from intermarriage between the Iteso and the Luo. They are called Ikomolo, child of Omolo. They are people well known for food cursing. Basing on their belief, people say that if they ate the first fruits of a certain tree, that fruit would make other fruits bitter. That's why they hear some of them called Ikomolo. Their sign is Akomot. We have the Igoria, Adukok. These are builders and craftsmen. These are Itunga of Otikir. The Iteso of the Igoria clan were good at art and building. They are very good at crafts and carpentry work. And their women were good at roofing grass-thatched houses, which we call huts. They were initiators of civility in art. They started craftsmanship, like black clothing, making beads, ornaments, blacksmithing, and musical instruments. They also did barter trade with other Akello people. Locally, their name Igoria is deep-rooted from the name of a small bird called a hooded finch in English. This bird is smart, humble, and organized, which makes the Igoria people organized. Their sign is Igoriat. We also have the Inomu, Amukyak. These are doctors. They are a strong traditional medicine clan in Teso. They dealt in health, especially treating bones and muscle diseases. They were great pediatricians who could find solutions to health issues of the entire clan, and they were minding a lot about the bones and muscle pain. They were the Iteso pediatricians to whom people with sprains, fractures, and muscle pains go for massage and bone fixing. They are experts in all world medical plants. To date, the Inomu still practice traditional medicine, especially the orthopedic treatment. Their sign is Akoit. Finally, we have the Iworopom, Atlipak, Luedini. These are spiritual intercessors. They are a group that settled in Moroto. Their leadership structure was headed by Auria. They are fortune tellers called Imurok. They had clear guidelines for morals and taboos in Onosho. The Iworopom faced massive pressure from the Turkana warriors. Yalamanoi apupokin Atekerin no Teso, Emuria Koliai.